Hi, my name is Jason Montoya, a sales representative with Goldstein Chrysler Jeep Dodge RAM in Latham, New York, and today we're checking out the 2026 Ram ProMaster, a van built to take on whatever your business throws at it. Now here at Ram, we know when you purchase one of our ProMasters that you put your full trust into us when you purchase it, which is why we provide our customers with a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty and a 10-year corrosion protection warranty, while our competitors only offer their customers with just a 5-year warranty. 5 years sound good until year 6. We over here at Ram will protect you as a business owner for 10 years. Now this van is the most reliable business partner you could ask for. These vans are tested in real-world conditions, ranging from 40 below all the way up to 120 degrees. Because as a business owner, we know that there is no such thing as a snow day or a day too hot for business. Under the hood, the built-to-last Pentastar V6 delivers 276 horsepower and 250 pound-feet of torque, paired with the smooth Torque Flight front-wheel drive automatic transmission that keeps you efficient on long routes and confident under load. And Ram thought about the moments that cost you the most. The headlamps sit outside the collision zone, and the front end uses a 3-piece fascia. So a minor fender bender means replacing one fascia, not the entire bumper. Less downtime, lower repair bills, and your investment stays protected. Because we know on the job sites that accidents happen, and Rams are built for that. Our ProMasters are configurable for any business. Choose from 4 different cargo lengths, 8 to 13 feet, 3 cargo heights, 66 inches to 86 inches, and seating options for up to 6 passengers. You can get up to 524 cubic feet of volume, near vertical walls and upface interface connectors, perfect for upfitting and connecting your vehicle with whatever your business demands. Also, did I forget to mention that our vehicles have the tallest and widest standard cargo area in its class? These vans really are configurable for any business. Keeping your Ram's body protected is only part of the battle. We want to make sure that you, the driver, are safe when driving our vehicles, which is why we provide our vehicles with full speed forward collision with pedestrian emergency braking to make sure your vehicle will come to a stop for those moments you don't expect. There's drowsiness driver detection to keep you alert for those late night business drives, and the electronic parking brake that holds your van securely on hills and inclines with the pull of a button. Now we talked about how durable this vehicle is on the outside. Let's talk about how durable it is on the inside. Our vans will be equipped out with 4-wheel disc Brembo brakes. With the engine, you have 10,000-mile oil change intervals and a transmission filter built for life. So that means less downtime in the shop for you as a business owner, because we know that every day counts when you're running a business. This van is amazing. But don't just take my word for it. Listen to my customer, Jimmy, a real ProMaster business owner who runs a business here in Latham, New York.
Hi, I'm a painter. My name is Jimmy DeCipio, and I've been painting since 1979, and that's all I've ever did, and I love my truck. I bought it. It's a 2014. It's just great. You can walk in it, the shelvings, and like I said, I had it all this time. So it's a great vehicle.
Would you recommend a Ram ProMaster for other business owners?
Absolutely. They're spacious and they run good. Good on gas too, believe it or not. Yes, yes.
Awesome. Thanks, Jimmy.
Yeah, you're welcome.
From a warranty that backs you for 10 years, to a body built to take a hit, to the safety and space your business runs on, the Ram ProMaster isn't just a van. It's a business partner made to take your business to the next level. A partner that shows up every day, good or bad. Choose Ram. My name is Jason Montoya, and this was my walk around of the 2026 Ram ProMaster.